So to make pastel, now this is something I always get back to front, start with the white and mix your blue into it. This way you don't have to use so much white and it's easy to get the colour you want. That's very, very pale. So touch stronger. You've got beautiful pastel blue. Try and mix it properly. There. And then just simply keep adding. Make it that much stronger if you want it darker. Starting moving away from pastel now.